There was a poor man. He wished to own a Mercedes in his life, and he wished to travel around the world in this Mercedes. One day, when he woke up, he saw a beautiful Mercedes was standing in front of his house. So he was so happy, he was blessed with the Benz car. But when he checked his pocket, he understood that he was not having enough money to fill the fuel inside. Friends, this is what sometimes happens in our life. We may have some wish in our life, but if we don't have the motivation or if we don't have the inspiration to achieve that, it will be something like this. You have blessed with some Mercedes, but you don't have money to fill fuel in this Mercedes, right? So today I am going to give you 5 steps, 5 strategies which will help you to stay motivated, right? So motivation is something like a fuel into your car, and I am going to give you something cash which can fill your fuel, right? So these are the very important steps which will help you to stay motivated in your life. So the number 1 step what I want to say is create a goal. Always you should have a goal in your life. See, if you don't have a goal, your life will be something like a car where you don't have an air in the tire, right? So you should have a goal in your life. So you should have a clear-cut, defined short-term goal, medium-term goal, and long-term goal. So when I say a short-term goal is something like a goal which you need within your let us say 2 weeks to 2 months, right? And when I say medium term goal, it should be like 2 months to 24 months. And long term goal is something which is more than 2 years, right? So you should have a clear defined goal in your life. So how do you define a goal? If you have an answer for these questions, then you can define a clear goal in your life. Find out what you want in your life. What you want to become in your life. How do you want to live your life? So have a clear answer for all these 3 questions, then your goal is clearly defined. So make sure that you define your goal very clearly in your life, right? So you should have a short term, medium term, and long term goal. So that should be the number one step to stay motivated in your life. Then the second strategy what I want to say is avoid all unwanted things, or avoid all the things which is consuming your time. See, nowadays what happened, we have a smartphone with us, right? A smartphone in many ways it helps us to achieve, it helps us to get your works done. But most of our precious time we may be spending in unwanted things. So for example, let us say if you are on an important project, or if you decided today I will dedicate my 8 hours of work to achieve some of my goal, to support some of my goal. The moment you start working, you saw one notification came in your WhatsApp. So you just open the WhatsApp, and when you open, you saw your college group, somebody put some comment, then you started replying on that, and somebody else again came and put some comment on that. So this chat kept on goes, right? So after, let us say after 1 hour or 2 hours, you understand that you already lost your 1 hour or 2 hours. So majority of our precious time we spend on our social media for unproductive activities basically, right? So what you need to understand is make sure you don't spend your time for low value activities which are not supporting to achieve your goal. Okay, activities which are wasting your time, these are activities called low value activities. So never waste your time on low value activities, right? And the next step what I want to say is create an achievement list. See, sometimes we don't get that motivation, or we don't get an inspiration to follow a goal because of lack of confidence, right? So the main important step which can improve your confidence level is create an achievement list. So take a pen, a paper, and write down in a paper what are the achievements you have in your life. For example, let us say you have done your graduation, you have done your post-graduation, you got a job or you started a business, whatever it may be. So create all achievement list. Let us say you have a bike or you have a car or you have a house, whatever it may be. So create an achievement list. Okay, let it be a very small thing. Let us say you got an appreciation mail from your senior. That is also one achievement, right? So create an achievement list and paste that achievement list in front of your workstation or in your cabin. Okay, so the moment you feel lack of confidence, just look into that achievement list and you understand that you have a lot of skills, you have a lot of capacity in your life, right? That will also boost your confidence level, right? Then the next step, what I want to say is set a deadline. Sometimes what happens, if we don't keep a deadline, we may try to postpone that, right? See, for example, let us say again, you are supposed to do a project today, you supposed to start a project today, and if you don't have a time limit, you don't feel like to dedicate all your valuable time on that, right? So what you need to do is you need to have a time limit. Okay, today before end of the day I will finish this, and within next 1 week I will finish this, within next month I will finish this. So when you keep a deadline, automatically you will be forced yourself to achieve that within that deadline. So make sure that keep a set a deadline, and that will also give you a motivation in your life, right? And next important strategy, what I want to, it's a very important strategy, set a positive environment, create a positive environment in your life. See, a positive environment never guarantee you success, but negative environment guarantee you the failure. So make sure that you create a positive environment in your life. So create a positive friend circle, be part of a lot of positive group, maybe it can be Facebook group or WhatsApp group, whatever it may be. So be a part of a lot of positive groups, and always have a positive friend circle within you, right? Read positive materials, watch motivational videos, right? So all these will make sure that you will be staying with a positive environment, and that also will help you to stay motivated in your life. Friends, these are very important 5 steps, 5 strategies which will help you to stay motivated in your life. So motivation is very important in your life. It is the fuel to run your life, right? So make sure that you practice all these steps and stay motivated. And before winding up, I want to remind you, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, please click on the subscribe button and like button, comment in the comment box, share this video to other people. Thank you very much. Wishing you all a happy and successful life.